All right, you guys, we want to start off by twisting off the top of the plunger. Okay, want to twist this off. We're not going to use this part, so we're going to toss that away. And this is what I want to use. This is what we want to do. I want to put the top on just like that, but what we're going to do is add some glue. We want to use E6000. So I'm going to put a little bit in the inside here. And I want to put a little bit on the top just to secure it. Okay. All right. I'm going to kind of press down, secure it for a couple of seconds, let it dry. All right, next, you guys, we want to spray paint the base. I didn't really like the color there, black, and that is because, let me show you the bowl. I like the way this bowl here that I got that goes on top for the bird bath. I got this here from Goodwill. This came from the Goodwill. This is the bowl that I'm going to be using. So I kind of want that tan color to match that. Okay, I do want to let you know all the items I got are from Dollar Tree, and the only thing that I got from Goodwill is the bowl. Okay, so we want to shake this up a little and start spraying. Doesn't have to be perfect. I just didn't want to keep the black. I think I'm gonna spray one coat, let it dry. I think I'm gonna do about 3 coats, and we're gonna leave it at that. Okay, you guys, that's 1 coat. We're gonna let that dry. We're gonna come back with the 2nd coat. All right, you guys, I was in a little bit of a rush, and I forgot to turn on the camera to let you see that I'm putting glue here. I kind of got a bit of a lean, and that is because I have not, this is not the spot where I'm gonna have my bird bath, because it's not really sturdy in the ground, but this is pretty much. I think I'm gonna have to do another coat. This here is what I wanted to put the bowl on the top here. All right, you guys, I broke my original glass bowl, so now I have to go to Dollar Tree and find another. That is why I'm in Dollar Tree with the new bowl. This here is a a small plate that I got from out of the home for my base. All right, you guys, bowl that I got out of Dollar Tree, I wanted to spray paint it, and I also saw some little sticky wallpaper. That's what I added, what you see here around the sides. I thought that would really bring the bowl out, and this is what it turned out to be.